Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about SQLite database. So what is a database? A database is a set of records stored in rows and columns. We can perform some operations like we can insert a new data, we can delete it, we can update it, we can fetch the data. So when we run the program, Python program, we give the input and we give the input from the keyboard and the output will be on the console. Now instead of that we can create a database, read the records which is already stored, and then we can insert the record in the database. So we can update it, we can delete it, so that we can process it anytime. So here we learn SQLite database. Now what is SQLite? SQLite is a library written in C programming, and it is a cross-platform, and it is a self-contained serverless zero configuration database engine. Now here important point to understand, it is a serverless, so we don't have to install a server here, and it is an embedded SQLite database. Who use SQLite? Big companies use SQLite database like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Skype, Facebook. All these companies use SQLite. Now let me show you the website. This is the official website, sqlite.org. So you can open it and you can see here SQLite is a C language library that implements a small, fast, self-contained, high reliability, full-featured SQLite database engine. Now it is the most used database engine in the world. So most of the people use this one, and so many big companies use this. So you can open this more information and you can see some interesting facts here. So here you can see maximum database size is 140 terabytes. So it's a very large number. And one row size is 1 gigabyte. So as I told, database is a rows and column. So each row represent one record, and that record can be up to 1 gigabyte maximum row size. One more interesting fact is faster than direct file input output. So it's a preferred database, and you can see here it is embedded SQL database engine. So means we don't need a server here, separate server, so we can use it anywhere. Now here you can see high profile projects. You can open this link and then see here these companies use Adobe for Photoshop, Lightroom, Airbus, again a very big company, Apple, they use for Mac operating system and iOS devices like iPhones, iPods, iTunes, or Bosch, Dropbox, Facebook, Flame, General Electric, Google for their Android phones, even for Chrome web browser which I am using currently, McAfee, Microsoft use for Windows 10, this Firefox, PHP, all these, even the Skype. So this is most widely used database engine in the world. Now good thing Python has a built-in support for this database. So we will explore, we'll see this database, and queries are same whether you use SQLite or SQL. There is a very small difference. Python support all these databases.